Hello everyone, how to take screenshot in Windows 10 using the keyboard shortcut. Windows 10 provides some easy shortcut keys to capture your screen quickly. The first shortcut is print screen key. Press print screen key on keyboard. Now open pent or Word document. So I just search here the pent, click on the pent and paste here Ctrl V, and here you can see the full screenshot here added. Okay, so this is our first shortcut key. I close this. And second shortcut key is window key plus print screen. So here I press the window key plus print screen. Your screen will briefly dim, which means the screenshot has been taken. This screenshot will be automatically saved in the pictures folder inside the screenshot folder. To check save screenshots, here I open the file explorer using the shortcut key window click plus E, and here your file explorer is open. Now I open the picture folders. You can see here the left hand side. In picture, just click on the screenshot and I just click on the date column, and you can see your recent screenshot. Simply double click on it and here you see the full screenshot here saved automatically. That's it. Now the third shortcut key, Windows key plus Shift plus S. So I press the window key plus Shift plus S. Your screen will dim and snipping tool will appear on the top. Now select the area you want to capture the screenshot will be copied to the clipboard. Then you can open your pen. So I just open my pen here and paste here, and that's it. So this is a way you can use the shortcut keys in Windows to take the screenshot. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.